Hi, welcome back. So in this section we are going to learn about WordPress themes and we'll see how we can install, activate and preview WordPress themes. So WordPress themes are basically a website layout. You can choose a theme and your website will look like that theme. So let's see how we can start. We can go to the appearance and themes. There you'll see lot of themes that you can activate. See, right now this theme is activated. Name is 2013. Now we have this customizer we can activate. We have so many. We have 2015. We have 13 mag. So let's activate this 13 mag. See here, it's already installed in our WordPress. That's why it's showing activate. If it is not installed, it will ask you to install that theme. So let's see any of the theme that is asking for installation. See, all are installed here. So first we will activate this theme. Now our website is looking like this. Okay, so now I'm going to install this 13 mag and see after activating how our website is looking. So let's refresh this website and see how it is looking. See, now after this 13 mag theme, our website is looking like this. This is the website heading and subtitle, navigation bar, and the posts are here, and here are the widgets, recent, popular and comments. Okay, and then we have these sidebars, and then we have the calendar here, and we have this footer. So see, it is so simple to change your look and feel of your website with the WordPress theme. Now what I do, I will try to click on add new. If you want to select a new theme, and what I do, see here, this liquid bank theme. Okay, it is not installed. Or material gauge, this is not installed. So what I do, if the theme is not installed, you can click on install and it will be installed on your WordPress, and then you can click on the live preview or you can directly activate it. Okay, so let's activate and see how it is looking. So I'll activate and then I'll go back here and I'll refresh this to see how our new theme is working. So see here, it is activating, it is refreshing the website. So let's see after this. See, now our website look has changed. Now it is coming like this box, this image we can see, we can customize it. So website name here, and then the subtitle, and then display image which you want to show, the header image is coming here, and then the latest posts are coming one by one from here. See here, now it is coming in a different way, and the sidebars are coming here, search, recent post, recent comment and calendar, and then the footer. So see here, it is so simple to change a theme. Okay, there is another way of adding a theme. You can click on add theme and you can upload a theme. So when you get a theme file from a vendor, you buy it or you download it from the vendor website. If it is a free theme, so you can click and upload. So in the same way, I have a theme, and what I do, I have already downloaded. So I'll go to the download, and here it is optimizer theme. So I'll click on and I'll upload. So now I have chosen the file, this optimizer.zip file I got through the vendor. Now I'll click on install. So this will be installed on my WordPress directory, and then once it is installed, I can activate it and see how our website looks like. So it is, see here, it is 29%, 30% it is uploading. So once it is uploaded, we can activate it. So it was not showing in the list because it was not installed. I got it from the vendor and it is a free theme, you can use it. So I'm going to modify our website based on this theme, and we'll see how we can customize our website using this optimizer theme. we will be using many more themes, but for now I'm using Optimizer to show you how you can use a theme and customize on that. So see, now it is almost uploaded, and once uploaded it will show you the option to activate. So just wait, it is doing. So it will be coming in few seconds. Okay, see here, now it is showing live preview, activate and return. So what I'll do, I'll activate it. Okay, now it is activated. See here, now it is showing Optimizer and it is showing the customize option. Let's see, this was the look before, and now after installing the theme, let's see how it is looking. See here, it is looking so cool. We have a very good image here, and we have the navigation bar here, and then we have a text here, and we have a 2 links here that we can customize, and then our blog posts are coming here, and we can do much more with this theme. And we have a footer here that we can modify. So we see here, now our website is looking quite cool. So these things we can modify, that we are going to see in the next lecture. See you in the next lecture.